two premium credit cards, each promising to elevate your travel in 2025. But which one really delivers? On the left, the Amex Platinum, renowned for luxury travel perks and unrivaled lounge access. And on the right, the Citi Strata Elite, offering streamlined rewards and simple value for savvy travelers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's a quick mind map of what we're going to compare today. Annual fee, welcome offers, travel perks, lounge access, luxury status upgrades, plus those all-important earning rates, and how easy it actually is to rack up rewards. Ready? I'm pumped for this. So let's get into each one. Okay, first up, annual fee. Because honestly, who wants to drop nearly $1,000 just for the privilege of owning a card, right? Looking at Amex Platinum, no sugarcoating it. $895 is just, wow, probably the single biggest fee in this category. To be fair, Amex packs the card with credits and perks to help offset things, but still, you feel it in your wallet. Now, Citi Strata Elite is like, hey, I'm premium but chill at $595 a year. Definitely easier to swallow, and the pricing's super simple. Nothing sneaky. The trade-off? Some benefits aren't as thickly layered as Amex. But for anyone who flinches at monster annual fees, Citi wins this round, hands down.
On to welcome offers. This is where things get spicy. Amex Platinum throws out a giant carrot, up to 175,000 points. But, you gotta spend $8,000 in 6 months. Not impossible, but you kinda have to plan for it. Oh, and what you actually get can vary based on their secret algorithm. Citi Strata Elite, though, is way more straightforward. 100,000 points after spending $6,000 in 3 months. Sure, not quite as big, but honestly, the target is easier and you know exactly what you're aiming for. So, who snags the win? Amex. Barely, just because that headline number and the 6-month runway gets people excited.
Travel benefits.
This is where the magic happens for both cards. Amex Platinum is honestly a credits machine. $600 for hotels through their fancy portal, $200 for airline fees, Uber credits, elite hotel and rental car status, even Clear Plus credit for breezing through security. But there's always that catch. Plenty of enrollment required or little restrictions. Citi Strata Elite brings some cool stuff too, like a $300 hotel credit, again, their own travel portal, and you gotta book at least 2 nights, $200 for private chauffeur rides, and global entry credit every few years. Even a couple bucks off Lyft rides, which is kinda neat. It's all solid, but Amex just layers so many more perks on, if you're good with the fine print and jumping through some hoops. Amex's travel benefits are king. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you realize Amex Platinum lets you into over 1,500 airport lounges worldwide? That's literally more than any other card out there. It's kind of a flex if you travel a ton. All right, time for the lounge showdown. Amex Platinum? It's basically the celebrity VIP pass. Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, well, 10 times a year, unless you spend a fortune. Priority Pass, Plaza Premium, Lufthansa, and a bajillion more. Over 1,550, actually. Some lounges want you to enroll or fly same day, which is a tiny hassle. Citi Strata Elite, still premium. Priority Pass gets you in with 2 guests, plus they toss in 4 one-day passes to American Airlines Admirals Club. But that's pretty much it. You miss out on all those exclusive Amex lounges. So, yeah, Amex totally pulls ahead in the lounge scene. Let's talk luxury perks and status, because who doesn't want to glide past the check-in desk every once in a while? Amex Platinum sets you up with automatic Hilton Honors Gold, Marriott Bonvoy Gold, and so on. Big rental car statuses too, like Hertz President Circle and Avis Preferred Plus. There's like 24 credits and upgrades baked in, but some need you to enroll. Sometimes you have to use Amex's portal to unlock the magic, which can be a bit of a drag if you're used to booking direct. Citi Strata Elite swings in with World Elite MasterCard benefits. Think rental discounts and Lyft credits. But no auto hotel or rental car status magic. Pretty clear winner here. It's Amex all the way. Okay, last comparison. Earning rates and simplicity. Amex gives you 5 times points for flights and prepaid hotels, but, and this is a big but, only if you go through Amex Travel. Everywhere else, just basic points. It's great for power travelers, but kind of confusing if you just want to swipe and relax. Citi Strata Elite keeps it chill. 3 times points for hotels and air. Again, you gotta book through Citi Travel, 3 times on dining, and everything else gets a base rate. Honestly, Citi takes this round on pure simplicity. Easy categories, nothing to fuss over, and decent earn rates. Even if Amex's headline rates look better on paper.
Quick recap before I share my final thoughts. Amex Platinum brings serious heat in travel benefits, lounges, and luxury status. But yeah, the price tag is wild. Citi Strata Elite delivers great value and keeps things way more straightforward, especially if annual fees make you cringe. You can see on the radar chart, Amex takes the top in most premium categories, while Citi edges it out for cost and reward simplicity. So, who's my pick? If you're all in for airport lounges, hotel upgrades, and stacking travel credits like a mad scientist, Amex Platinum is the move. Even with that hefty $895 fee, it's the ultimate flex for people who want every perk. But if you want something lean, still premium, and actually affordable, Citi Strata Elite punches way above its price. For me, this round goes to Amex Platinum, but I totally get the appeal of Citi if you want value without fuss.
Enjoyed this deep dive? Hit me up in the comments. Are you Team Amex or Team Citi? Let us know which card actually fits your travel style best.